Tashkent Pharmaceutical Institute is becoming one of the preferred destinations for students who dream of building a successful medical career abroad. Located in the capital city of Uzbekistan, the institute is known for its quality education, modern infrastructure, and globally focused learning environment. With experienced faculty, advanced laboratories, and a strong emphasis on practical learning, the university helps students develop the clinical knowledge and professional skills required in today's medical field. English medium programs make it easier for Indian and international students to adapt comfortably and focus on their academic journey.
Hello ma'am, can you please introduce yourself and what is your department in this institute?
My department is gynecology. You are doing my post-graduation gynecology and
Okay.
I'm teaching in gynecology for 6th year and 5th course as well.
Oh, that's great. Okay, moving further, you have a lot of Indian students here, right, in the university. आप मुझे प्लीज़ थोड़ा सा बता सकते हो Indian students के बारे में, उनके साथ यहाँ पे क्या क्या batches follow होते हैं और कैसे the education is different from India?
No, actually, it's like the same in India and the Uzbekistan. The different thing is,
Amount.
main thing is amount only.
Okay.
In India, if you'll get good rank, they will get a chance to study MBBS in India. But if you're not good, what is the opportunity? To abroad. And abroad, actually in Uzbekistan nowadays they're giving good price for the everyone to study their goal and achievement.
Okay.
To like who become a doctor, they should. So many Indian faculty is also available in different departments. Indian faculty available for medical chemistry and biochemistry as well. I'm also one of the department of gynecology.
I see.
We'll teach accordingly like Indian pattern. Like
Okay.
nowadays FMG exam everything they'll giving the questions according the clinical way. That's why like what is the differences from basics onwards we are giving the teaching like that to FMG level. Then it's very benefit to the students when they will know no, automatically they will when they will study from the basic they will crack FMG exam and first attempt. If will not they don't have that much basic, it's not possible to crack the
Right.
first attempt.
Yeah, makes sense. So since you mentioned about the cost at first, आपने cost के बारे में बोला कि इंडिया से कम है cost, तो क्या वो quality of training पे यहाँ पे affect करता है और the quality of teaching is better here than India?
Of course, in India is good quality and everything. Here the quality is also good, but now they're improving their faculties and everything. I'm not saying 100% equal actually, but everything will be good.
You are doing your PG as well here and as well as you teach the students. तो मैं थोड़ा सा classes और assessments के pattern के बारे में जानना चाहती हूँ कि कैसे conduct होते हैं and how is it then again different from India?
Now, in every classroom, in every department, in one classroom, only 10 members. When teacher will explain everything, when teacher will show any surgical things in hospitals, if 10 members is mean it's good because when teacher is doing when professor surgeon will do, it's clearly visible for the students. When every student can visible, then only they can understand.
Right, and this is a one-on-one thing to 10 students in one batch,
Yes.
so they can connect with the teacher as well.
Yes.
Okay.
And if you have any questions in operation theater, if they can ask immediately, they can clear in on the time only. No one didn't say we will clear later. Not like that.
One more thing I want to ask you is about the country Uzbekistan. As you know, a lot of people coming from India have this there in their mind that might be the country is not safe, and parents especially, they are very worried about the girls. So how safe is the country?
I'm also staying from 1 year. I don't have any feel like sometimes after 10 also I leave. I have some many works. If I'll go to the hospital emergency, I went, but I didn't feel any difficulty. But whatever it is there, but inside the campus and hostels and everything, they will close 9 p.m. They will open the gate
AM in the morning.
Yes, no one will not go. If anyone want to go any birthday parties or something, they should take the permission. Then only they will allowed to go out. Otherwise, no, without
not
permission,
allowed.
they will not allowed to go out as well.
Okay, if we talk about the food, is Indian food easily accessible for the students here?
Yes, available actually. Here so many cafes is available. Mostly 4 or 5 restaurants, Indian restaurants available.
So it's easily accessible.
It's easily,
Okay.
and they will also give the mess opportunity.
Mess
They
is
will
also
deliver it to the hostel.
Okay.
They can get the food to in hostel only.
Okay, ma'am. One last question to you would be one tip that you would like to give the international students out there who are wanting to, come here and pursue their MBBS.
Who have that dream to like MBBS, they want to do any medicine. If they will not get chance to study in India, it's good opportunity to study and they continue. They can achievement their like doctor.
Tashkent Pharmaceutical Institute, shaping the future of medical education.